I just came across this mind-bending concept about how a model context protocol gateway manages interactions. It's like a traffic cop for data.
Wait, seriously? So it's actually routing the requests and making sure everything flows smoothly? That's wild.
Exactly. And the idea that it converts REST calls into a format that can be universally understood really blew my mind.
That's really interesting because it creates this seamless experience across different applications. You don't even notice the magic happening.
Right? And I was just thinking about how that's kind of like how our brains process different languages. We translate effortlessly.
Oh, totally. It's like having a universal translator in our heads. But think about the implications for AI. It's a real game changer.
Exactly. So if this gateway can optimize communication between AI systems, then what does that mean for collaboration between them?
It opens up a world of possibilities. Imagine AI systems sharing data in real time to solve complex problems, like climate change.
Whoa, that's incredible. So it's like they could actually pool resources and insights as if they were in a brain trust.
Yes. And the irony is that the more we develop these protocols, the closer we get to creating more intuitive AI. It's a feedback loop.
That gives me chills. It's a collaboration between AI systems that could lead to breakthroughs we never even imagined.
For real. And I love that there's this unifying structure behind it all. It's like the foundation of a new digital ecosystem.
And let's not forget security. This gateway manages access and protects sensitive info. That's a huge piece too.
Totally. It's like a bouncer for your data, making sure only the right applications can access the good stuff.
Which makes me wonder, how do we balance openness and security? Because too much control could stifle innovation.
That's a crucial point. It's this delicate dance between facilitating collaboration and protecting valuable data assets.
And it begs the question, how will this evolve? Will we start to see new industries emerge around these gateways?
Oh, absolutely. I can envision a whole arena where businesses build on this technology, kind of like the app economy, but on steroids.
That's a great analogy. It's like the days of the Wild West in tech. Everyone's trying to stake their claim.
And in that chaos, innovative ideas will bubble up in ways we can't predict right now.
Yes, and I think the rapid iteration from these gateways will turbocharge how quickly we adapt to new challenges.
So true. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for data management that constantly evolves. It's mind-blowing.
But let's pause for a sec. How do the protocols themselves evolve? Like, who decides what gets updated?
Good question. I imagine it's a collective effort from developers and experts. It might even need centralized oversight.
Interesting. That implies a governance model, which can be tricky. Too many cooks can spoil the broth, right?
Exactly. And then you have to consider bias. If the wrong people are making decisions, it could skew the entire system.
So it becomes essential to have diverse perspectives in that decision-making process. That's a complex layer.
Right? And it highlights the need for transparency. Users need to know who's behind the protocols.
Hold on, so if all these factors are managed well, we could see unprecedented innovation?
Exactly. But there's also the risk of monopolies forming if one group controls the tech too much.
Yikes! That could stifle competing ideas and lead to stagnation, right? It's a double-edged sword.
Totally. So it's about finding that sweet spot where innovation thrives without sacrificing security.
And what's fascinating is how relevant these questions are in today's tech landscape.
For sure, we're in this pivotal moment where understanding these protocols could redefine our future.
Agreed. So to tie everything back, what do we think the immediate next steps are for this tech?
I think the focus should be on collaborative frameworks. How can we create standards that everyone agrees on?
That's a solid point. If we can lay down these foundations now, we could avoid pitfalls later.
Exactly. It's exciting to think about how quickly everything is moving and how much is at stake.
So what's the takeaway here? It seems we're on the brink of a connectivity revolution.
Right. And it's our responsibility to engage with it thoughtfully, or we might miss a massive opportunity.
Totally. And that makes me wonder, who else needs to be part of this conversation?
That's a great question. The more voices we have, the more robust and fair the protocols can become.
Wow, I just love how this exploration connects dots on so many levels. It's all intertwined.
Absolutely. It all leads back to the importance of community, collectively shaping the future.
And I think that's the real power of these gateways. It's not just tech, it's about empowering people.